Hi Varshini.
What are you going to see today?
Today we are going to discuss about this equation, that is 4 power x equal to x power 64. From this equation we are going to find x. Also we are going to verify that x value in this equation whether it is correct or not. This is going to be very simple and very tricky questions which asked in Olympiad. Let's get into the solution now. 4 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 64. Now we are adding 1 by 64 in the power in both sides. 4 to the power of x into 1 by 64 equal to x to the power of 64 into 1 by 64. Now x by this 64, here this 64 and this 64 will be get cancelled, x. Now we are taking 1 by x into the power in the both side. 4 to the power of x by 64 into 1 by x equal to x 1 by x in the power. This x and this x will be get cancelled. 4 to the power of 1 by 64 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. Now we are adding in the left hand side in the power 4 by 4. Nothing is going to be changed, which means 4 to the power of 4 by 4 into 1 by 64 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. Now this can be written as 4 to the power of 4 1 by 4 into 64 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. Now this 4 to the power of 4 is equivalent to 256 and 4 into 64 is 1 by 256 equal to x to the power of 1 by x. Therefore x equal to 256. This is the answer. We are going to verify now. Let's verify this answer. The equation is 4 to the power of x equal to x to the power of 64. Now we know that x equal to 256. 4 to the power of 256 equal to 256 to the power of 64. Now we can write as 4 to the power of 256 equal to this 256 as written as 4 to the power of 4. This 64 we are writing in the power. 4 to the power of 256. This 4 into 64. 4 to the power of 256. 4 to the power of 4 into 64 equal to 256. Now LHS equal to RHS. Thus proved.